Let's get it. Let's get that money, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get that money, baby.
YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy Money Making, back with another banger, man. On this beautiful Wednesday morning out here, man, taking a stroll through the neighborhood. Old PDR Nick done pulled up on me, man. PDR Nick, paint, dent, repair, man. 88 box. Long story short, man, car went out to the billet stop about 7-8 months ago. They dinged my damn door up. Dinged it up, nice little dent, ain't nothing major, but paint on the car about 10, 11 years old or whatever, but shit, I'm trying to make that shit last forever, but eventually I'm gonna get it painted again. But hey, he said we can get that dent out. My boy Dante sent me the info. He said he did good work or whatever. He pulled up on me, checked it out yesterday, day before, gave me a quote. So shit, here it is, Wednesday. He said he finna go ahead and bring it back to life, you feel me? But yeah, so yeah, he mobile out here in the clean Harker Heights, Texas area or whatever. So shit, he said he been doing this for a while. He did my homeboy Dante box or whatever. It came out damn good, man. So hey, we're gonna see what it do. Stay tuned. Back at you, YouTube. Back at you. This your boy Money Making, man. Today task, man. Whew. Yeah, see that right there? Yup. PDR Nick finna pull up on me, man. He came by Monday. He told me he can get that dent gone and that scratch gone. So we gonna see, man. I know y'all probably like, what happened? I explained to you. Long story short, short story shorter. When I took my box up to the village stop to get that rear end work done, when they shortened and put these 7-inch lips on there, man, my car was gone for like almost 30-something days. They called me probably like a day before I was about to pick my car up. Oh man, bad news, something fell on your car, and they worked something out with me. Now here it is, fast forward about 6 months later. Really wasn't worried about it, but since I finally got the heartbeat put in and shit, it's like, now let me go back and touch this car up. But Nick on his way over here, man. He say he can get it right. He can bring it back out. Bring it to life or whatever. But yeah, we shall see. I had to get some before footage for y'all can check it out. We're gonna see what he can do. I got my faith and trust in him. He said he can bring it out. So shit, he came and checked it out. Shout out to my homeboy Dent, man. He the one plugged me in with him. Yup. So, late round 4. Up early this morning. He just texted me and told me he was on his way, man. Still got these barrels for sale right here. 28-inch barrels. 5-inch lips. 5-inch lips. Somebody make me an offer, come and get them. Factory stalled to a 4L lady for sale. Somebody hit me up. But yeah. Then I gotta get these 4 limbs put in. These 4 limbs put in. Ain't nothing wrong with the 373s. Tuner recommended better performance. Up the gears on it. So she was twerking with them 373s. I ain't gonna lie to you. So I don't know what that thing might. It's really gonna do something with the 4 limbs. But yeah, I was just getting y'all a little before shot, man. My tuner supposed to be here today too to finish this tune on though. I can go ahead and start driving it more and enjoying it. But we shall see what today holds. I don't know. I may roll all this into one video. Might break it down to bits and pieces. Who knows? But yeah, he said it's gonna take him probably about a good 2 hours or so. 2 hours to bring that dent out. But yeah, let's get to it. Lay around. At the crib chilling. He pulled up. Look at that grass though, man. Just something about that grass, man. Stay off my freaking grass. You hear me? Ain't nobody fucking me on this grass shit in my neighborhood, man. But yeah. I'm gonna let y'all watch him work for a minute, man. Tuner should be pulling up today to finish that tune up. If I can get to enjoy my car a little bit more. Whole lot going on. Whole lot. Trying to get ready for this Texas heat wave car show. I think that's next weekend. So that's where we at with it. Barrels gotta go, man. Got some extra set of 28-inch tires, but you already know. Just because. He working though. say been doing this kind of work, YouTube, about 10, 12 years, man. You see a big difference already. You ain't even finished yet. You can spot that dent from way over here. Still over here working, man. Slow progress better than no progress, but it's all gonna get there eventually, you hear me? Live inside the garage with it, man. This paint been holding though. I had this paint on this car for almost 10 years, man. 10 years, she's still doing her thing. To be 10 years old. She ain't perfect, she got a lot of flaws and shit, but hey, trying to make this paint last as long as I can, you hear me? What's been on my driveway, did this thing on this layout right there, man. Make the dent come out is crazy work. Just like that, YouTube, it's a wrap, man. Make sure y'all smash that like, share, comment, subscribe to your boy Money Making, man. $250 ain't bad. Y'all remember what the before was. There you go. Damn good. Man, he coded what he do. Man of his word, came through, performed. A lot of people were scared to touch it out here in the area. He came through and knocked it out with no problem, man. No problem. You hear me? It's gonna be a damn good day. Yes, sir.